You know that feeling, that first sip of coffee in the morning? It's almost essential, right? But what if I told you that simple cup connects to these huge global forces? Think trade tensions, crypto booms, even, well, the weather. Today, we're doing a deep dive looking into our listeners' curated sources, specifically the Global Coffee Market Outlook, July 2025. Our mission, really, is to see how all these big macroeconomic shifts, the financial market buzz, and yeah, even local weather are hitting the price, the availability of your coffee. Okay, let's unpack this. So let's start big picture. What's the general economic vibe right now affecting commodities, coffee included?
What's really fascinating, I think, is just the sheer uncertainty that's kind of brewing everywhere. A big thing we're watching closely is the potential for U.S. retaliatory tariffs on the EU. There's a deadline looming, August 1st. And you hear talk, like from former President Trump, about maybe 15, 20% tariffs on EU goods. That kind of instability. It's gold for financial speculators.
Right. So your coffee cup becomes almost like a playing field for these bigger geopolitical games.
Exactly. It's a bit of a proxy, yeah.
And it's not just old school trade stuff, is it? Are there other big financial trends maybe pulling money away from commodities?
Oh, absolutely. Look at the crypto market. It just hit a new peak, what, $4 trillion? It's following the new U.S. stablecoin law, that huge surge in digital assets.
Yeah.
It definitely poses a risk, potentially drawing capital away from traditional markets like commodities.
Hmm.
And, this raises a big question. Where's the global money going to flow? We've got Fed Chair Powell speaking this Tuesday about monetary policy. There's political pressure there. Plus Q2 financial reports from U.S. companies are coming out.
Right. Lots of moving parts.
All these events, they're definitely going to influence global capital flows and, yeah, by extension, commodity prices like coffee.
Okay, so with that backdrop, let's get more specific. Let's look at the coffee derivatives markets themselves, Robusta and Arabica. What's happening with Robusta in London?
Right, so for London Robusta, looking at the September 2025 contract, it closed up a bit. $3,348 a ton, up $36. But, and this is key, it didn't manage to break through that 3,378 technical level. It did hit $3,407 during the session, but that wasn't enough to signal a real sustained upward trend.
Why not? What's holding it back?
Well, there's increasing certified inventory. Basically, more coffee is physically available in certified warehouses. That makes investors kind of cautious. For a genuine trend change, we'd really need to see it push past $3,685 per ton.
Okay, got it. Now let's switch to New York Arabica, the September 2025 contract. This one's interesting because it jumped early in the week, right? But then fell back.
Yeah, that's right. Arabica rallied early on, hitting 310.50 cents a pound. Pretty strong, but it just couldn't stay above that sort of psychological 311 cents level.
And the reasons for that drop?
A few things, really.